In the digital marketing case study, in the last video, we have seen the data set, we have seen the quick notes on the data set, then we have seen the key terms for the digital marketing campaign. We have created some KPIs and the formulas here. Later on, we have opened our Google Data Studio, then we have imported the data set and created some KPIs such as average order value, cost per conversion, click-through rate, return on investment, return on ad spends, etc. So now, once we have created our data and imported all the KPIs, we will look upon the further features of the Google Data Studio. Firstly, here you can see that we can rename our report anytime with here. So I am writing it as data marketing report. You can see that it's already renamed data marketing report. File here tells us about all the files that we have want to create new report, copy, download as PDF, themes, layout, settings. Edit tells us that we have to do undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Everything is here. In the view, how we want to view it, and different options for viewing and offsets and layouts is here. In the inserts option, we can import all the charts, time series chart, column chart, field map, bubble map, heat map, bullet charts, sliders, and everything. You can see it here. In the page section, we can change the we can make a new page, duplicate page. We can change the current page settings and everything. We can do it from here. In the arrange, currently we have only one page, so it is not showing. But we can group, ungroup, align horizontally, vertically all the visualizations and pages. In the resource section, we can see that we can manage the data blends, data resources, filters, URL parameters, and other things. Now here we can add new page. From here we can add new data. Here we can add new charts. You can see that already a lot of charts are there such as table, scorecard, time series, bar, pie chart, maps, geo chart, area chart, and other charts are there. If you want to add additional charts, you can use the community visualization. Here people have created their own charts, and if you want to explore more, you can see that a lot of charts are already available here, and if you want to create your own chart, you can build your own visualization from here. And here is the URL embed it, so we can embed our URL with this method. Here you can insert any image or by URL in our report. This is the text box. If you want to write any text box, you can write it here. This is the lines. If you want to create some lines and something, you can do it from here. Line, arrow, connector, curved connectors, all are there. Here the shapes, if you want to create any shape, rectangle or circle, we can create from here. So this is the basic overview of the Google Data Studio. In the next video, we will start creating some KPIs from here. Thank you.